High fender versus low fender. Debate over. Let's just do both. Now available, high fender kits that allow you to keep your low fender so it can plug up with mud and can catch all the branches. Contact me for kits and pricing and availability now. So debate solved. High fender versus low fender. Just do both. Super easy conversion. Don't even have to tie up those lines. And as an added bonus, the low fender keeps the high fender from getting dirty. Best of both worlds on the world's best motorcycle.